If you would like to uninstall and reinstall Roblox Studio in your PC, today's video let's learn how we can do it. So in order to uninstall a program or Roblox, come below at the search bar of your PC, type in Control Panel, launch your Control Panel, and then you will see Programs and Features. Open it, click on Anywhere, and then type in R. You will see Roblox Studio and you have to right click onto it, click on Uninstall. Once it is so, wait for this program to uninstall from your PC completely. And once done, the next step is opening a new tab and then type in Download Roblox Studio. You will see Roblox Studio setup, documentation, and so and so. Click on this link. Under System Requirements, you will see various versions that you can download. Click on Download Studio. Wait for this to load, and once it is so, click on Download Studio again, and after a couple seconds, you will be able to download Roblox Studio in your PC. Just like so guys, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching.